How to fix at this time your account is not eligible to use this feature. Try again later on Instagram. So if you're not being able to use a feature, then what you need to do is first you need to go for your status. So open up your Instagram at first. Once you're here on Instagram, go for the profile, which is on the bottom right, and go for the upper right, which has that three bat icon. Tap on settings and privacy. Scroll all the way down and tap on account status. And once you're here, you need to check your account status and make sure that you have toggled on all of these options under your account status. Once you've toggled that on, now the next thing you need to do is you need to simply update your application. So make sure you have a stable internet connection and then go for the Play Store. Once you're here on the Play Store, go for the search and search for Instagram. Tap on the Instagram, and here if you have an update your Instagram application and your problem will be fixed. But if that still doesn't fix your problem, you need to go back to your Instagram application. Open up your Instagram. Go for the profile, which is on the bottom right. Go for the upper right, which has that three bat. Tap on settings and privacy. Scroll all the way down. Tap on help and tap on report a problem. And again tap on report problem and tap on don't include and continue, and here you need to report the problem. So you need to write that hi Instagram team and not being able to use my account. It says that at this time your account is not eligible to use this feature, so I'm not being able to use a feature on Instagram. Please help me with that. And once you've entered your problem, you need to tap on send, which is on the upper right. Once you've sent, your problem will be recognized and you will get some help within 48 hours. So that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.